Hey Juventino, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And looking through your website, it looks really good. Whoever built this website, it is very aesthetically pleasing. There are two things that I'd recommend. The first thing would be to have some more of these call to actions throughout. That helps with your conversion. Maybe a form that people could submit to you as well. You'll see more traffic converting to phone calls, which would convert to more customers. The second thing would be to add some more content to this homepage. And the reason is because Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7. They're looking through all of this content, seeing what keywords are embedded throughout. And so you want at least 1,500 words on this homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And so let's take a look at an example of a keyword, Houston concrete. And so when people search this, the first thing that pops up here, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so you want to be ranking in the top 3 because they get the majority of that, 30 to 40%. And so the way that you outrank these other businesses is that you have a Google My Business, or also called Google Business Profile, that has more citations than these other businesses. And what a citation is it is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then you want to have a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos so that you're ranking. And if we scroll down, this is the organic listing here, and the remainder of the 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing. And so this is where your website would be ranking. And let me take a look and see if you're on this first page. I do not see ya. 90% of people will stay on this first page here. And so you want to be on the first page as high up as possible so that you're getting the most traffic you can. Let's take a look at this number 1 ranking website. So Bill Houston Concrete, they have some good call to actions here, like I was saying over there, that will help with your conversions. It'd be really easy for you to beat them with the content, but I'm going to compare the back end of each website. I have Bill Houston's plugged in here to Ahrefs, and it's going to take data from the Google Data Studio, and it's going to give us some ratings. So UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. And what's making up these numbers here, they have 24 and 0.6, are their 281 backlinks, and those backlinks are coming from 78 referring domains. And so it is worth mentioning here that not all backlinks are created equal. There are backlinks that are high quality that will boost these numbers and it'll raise them up. And there are spammy backlinks which will harm these numbers and it will make them go lower. And so it is important to be intentional with the backlinks that you choose. In Bill Houston, they have 297 keywords on their website. And so let's take a look at yours. So I have your URL plugged in here. And so this is the same Ahrefs website here. The UR and DR is 5 and 0, coming from 17 backlinks from 7 referring domains. And you will have 66 keywords on your website. And so in order to rank higher and beat out your competitors on the Google search, is you need to have these numbers higher. And so in order to bring these numbers up, you need good quality backlinks. And then you also want to make sure that you're adding good buyer intent keywords here. One way that you can get good quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You would go into Bill Houston's here, and then you would link those backlinks to your website as well. And if it is working for their website, it would work for yours. And then let's take a look at some of the keywords that they are ranking for. Concrete Contractor Houston. 450 people are searching for this every single month. Houston Concrete Contractors, 450, 450, 500, 300, 400, 3, 350, 250. And you can see here that this list just keeps going. And there's many pages. And so in order to get some of this traffic for yourself, you want to have that Google business profile and add more citations, as well as have your website ranking higher. You need some more authority and trust, and you need to have backlinks to boost those numbers. And you want to add content to your website so that you can have more keywords on there so that Google knows to link you whenever people are searching for it. The more eyes that are on your site, the more people that will be converting to your customers. And I really hope that this video was helpful for you, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Thank you.